Need a premium smartwatch without breaking the bank? Check out the LIGE GPS Smartwatch, a sleek, feature-packed device with voice calling, ECG monitoring, and even NFC support, now available at just $26.85. That's over 50% off the original price. In the box, you'll find one LIGE smartwatch, one USB wireless charging cable, one user manual, and a retail-ready packaging box, perfect for gifting. The watch features a crisp 1.5-inch HD screen with an impressive 454 by 454 resolution, delivering sharp visuals in any lighting condition. Built for durability, it's also IP68 waterproof, so it can handle your sweatiest workouts or rainy adventures. Powered by the RTL876 2D chip and backed by a 360 mAh battery, you'll get 3 to 5 days of active use and up to 30 days on standby. That's power and performance you can rely on. With Bluetooth 5.0, you can make and receive crystal-clear voice calls, control music, and even access smart notifications right from your wrist. Plus, there's NFC support, Alipay, and even your personal QR code for quick sharing. Track your health in real time with advanced features like heart rate monitoring, ECG+PPG support, blood pressure and oxygen saturation, sleep tracking, breathing training, and even a massage function for those moments when you need to unwind. With over 156 sports algorithms and multiple modes, this smartwatch is built for runners, lifters, hikers, and everyday movers. Wherever your fitness journey goes, this watch follows. From a compass, Qibla finder, and split-screen display to a calculator and weather updates, the LIGE GPS smartwatch is your all-in-one wrist assistant. Supports 20+ languages including English, Spanish, Arabic, Japanese, and more. Compatible with Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 9.0 Plus, so it works with almost every phone out there. Looking for a premium smartwatch at a fraction of the cost? Click the link in the description below to buy your LIGE GPS smartwatch while it's still on sale. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech finds and honest reviews.